Google might be on the verge of repeating a costly mistake with the upcoming Pixel 9a, and it all comes down to the modem. With the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro launch, Google introduced its Tensor application processor, aiming to boost AI-driven features like Magic Eraser and attract more users. However, instead of using Qualcomm's reliable 5G modem, Google opted for Samsung's Exynos 5123 modem, which led to serious connectivity problems. Many users reported dropped calls and weak signals, especially when they needed a strong connection the most. This issue frustrated Pixel owners and overshadowed many of the phone's positive features. Now history seems to be repeating itself with the Pixel 9a YouTuber Sahil Kurl recently got his hands on the device before its official unveiling and shared key details in an unboxing video. The Pixel 9a, shown in the purple iris color, features the Tensor G4 processor with 8 GB of RAM, but the most concerning part of his reveal is the modem. While the rest of the Pixel 9 series uses the newer Exynos 5400 modem, the Pixel 9a reportedly comes with the older Exynos 5300, the same one found in the Pixel 8 lineup. This is a major red flag because Pixel 8 users have already complained about weak 5G performance and excessive battery drain when using mobile data. If the Pixel 9a is using the same outdated modem, it could suffer from similar issues, making it a risky choice for buyers who rely on strong network performance. The Pixel 9a's official launch is expected on March 19th, which means we won't have to wait long to see if these concerns are valid. For those considering the Pixel 9a, this raises a tough question. Should you take a chance on a device that may struggle with connectivity or wait for the Pixel 10 later in the year? Having a reliable modem is crucial, especially in emergencies when you need to make a call or access the internet without interruptions. If the Pixel 9a experiences the same signal and battery drain issues as the Pixel 8, it could be a frustrating experience for users who expect better from Google. This decision by Google is disappointing because many hoped the company had learned from the mistakes of the Pixel 6. The lack of a high-quality modem made that phone difficult to recommend, and while Google improved things slightly in later models, modem quality has remained a weak point for Pixel devices. Choosing to equip the Pixel 9a with an older modem instead of the latest version feels like another cost-cutting decision that hurt the user experience in the long run. As someone who has personally dealt with these issues on the Pixel 6 Pro, I know how frustrating it can be to own a phone that doesn't deliver consistent connectivity. Google has made impressive progress in areas like camera technology and AI features, but network reliability is just as important. If the Pixel 9a follows the same pattern as the Pixel 6 and Pixel 8, it might not be the best option for users who rely on a stable connection throughout the day. What do you think? Should Google have upgraded the modem for the Pixel 9a, or is this a reasonable trade-off for a budget-friendly phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. The upcoming iPhone 17 series seems to be bringing some noticeable changes in its design, with variations in thickness, camera placement, and a key feature that some thought Apple might remove. Recent leaks showing dummy models, possibly molds used to create prototype units, reveal these potential design tweaks for Apple's next lineup. One of the biggest takeaways from the leaks is that MagSafe is here to stay across all iPhone 17 models. There had been speculation that Apple might remove MagSafe from the iPhone 17 Air due to its ultra-thin design, with concerns that the magnetic system could interfere with the C1 chip. However, these leaks suggest that Apple has found a way to maintain MagSafe functionality even in the slimmer Air model. This will be a relief for those who rely on MagSafe for wireless charging and accessories. Another interesting change involves the placement of the front-facing camera within the dynamic island on the iPhone 17 Air. Unlike previous models where the camera is positioned on the right side of the pill-shaped cutout, the leaked dummy shows the iPhone 17 Air with the camera on the left. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 17 and Pro versions are expected to keep the existing placement. This shift could be a subtle but intentional design choice to differentiate the Air model from the rest of the lineup. When it comes to thickness, leaks reveal some notable differences across the iPhone 17 series. The iPhone 17 Air appears to be the thinnest model, aligning with previous rumors that Apple is prioritizing a super slim form factor. On the other hand, the Pro models are expected to be thicker than their predecessors, while the standard iPhone 17 will likely maintain a similar thickness to current models. These variations in size could indicate changes in battery capacity, internal components, or structural reinforcements aimed at improving durability. Another small but important change is the camera bump design. While the exact details remain unclear, it looks like the Air and Pro models will feature slightly different camera module designs. This aligns with earlier leaks suggesting that Apple has been experimenting with the placement and shape of the rear camera array. The confirmation that MagSafe will remain on all iPhone 17 models also suggests that Apple sees long-term value in this feature. MagSafe has become an integral part of the iPhone ecosystem, enabling a range of accessories like wallets, chargers, and car mounts. Keeping MagSafe across all models, including the ultra-thin Air, shows that Apple isn't ready to move on from this technology anytime soon. These dummy leaks also highlight the trade-offs that Apple is making with each iPhone 17 variant. The thinner Air model will likely appeal to those who want a lightweight, sleek phone, while the Pro models, with their thicker bodies, could offer advantages in battery life or camera performance. This once again reinforces Apple's strategy of creating different models to suit different types of users, ensuring that there's an iPhone for everyone. As always, these leaks should be taken with some caution, as final design decisions could still change before the iPhone 17 lineup is officially unveiled. The Pixel 9a is making waves even before its official launch, and now we have our best look yet at the upcoming mid-range phone. A newly surfaced 44-second video showcases the Pixel 9a in porcelain, giving us a clear view of both the front and back of the device. The video highlights the display, the rear camera bar, and even the camera app in action. If you've been curious about how this phone will look and feel, this footage gives a solid preview. This isn't the first time we're seeing the Pixel 9a earlier. Well-known leaker Even Blast shared images of the phone in a new purple shade that Google is calling Iris. In addition to Iris, the Pixel 9a will be available in 3 other colors: Obsidian, Porcelain, and Peony. Obsidian is a dark color similar to black. Porcelain is a warm white, and Peony is similar to the pink shade seen on the Pixel 9 series. Google is expected to officially announce the Pixel 9a on March 19, with pre-orders beginning the same day. The phone could be released on March 26, giving buyers just a short wait before they get their hands on it. If you're considering a pre-order, there's even more reason to be excited, at least for some markets. A recent rumor suggests that customers in Europe who pre-order the Pixel 9a will receive a free Google TV streamer valued at around $99. However, it's still unclear if a similar pre-order bonus will be available in the US or other regions. As for pricing, the Pixel 9a is expected to start at $499 in the US for the 128GB model, while the 256GB version may cost around $599. These price points place it in direct competition with other popular mid-range devices, making it one of the more affordable Pixel options available. Looking at the hardware, the Pixel 9a will feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 x 2424 pixels and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The device will be powered by Google's 4nm Tensor G4 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM. These specs suggest that the phone should handle everyday tasks and multitasking with ease. The camera setup continues to be a strong point for the Pixel series. The Pixel 9a's rear camera bar will house a 48-megapixel main sensor alongside a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera. For selfies and video calls, a 13-megapixel front-facing punch-hole camera will be available. Google's AI-powered camera software should help deliver excellent photo quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. Battery life is another highlight of the Pixel 9a, as it is expected to come with a generous 5,100 mAh battery. This should provide all-day battery life with ease, and the phone will support fast charging. Additionally, the Pixel 9a is rumored to have an IP68 rating, meaning it will be resistant to dust and water, offering an extra layer of durability. Size-wise, the Pixel 9a is expected to measure 154.7 x 73.3 x 8.9 millimeters, making it slightly thicker than some flagship models like the iPhone 16 to 7.8 millimeters and the Samsung Galaxy S25 7.2 millimeters. While it won't be the thinnest phone on the market, the added thickness could contribute to better battery life and improved durability.